Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Farming Simulator on PC with a controller. First, connect your preferred controller to your computer using a USB cable or Bluetooth. Make sure your controller's drivers are current for the best experience. Once connected, launch the game and head into the Options menu. From there, you will find a dedicated Controller tab where you can begin customizing your setup. Let's dive into the essential controls. The left analog stick is your primary input for steering vehicles and moving your character around the expansive maps. The right analog stick allows you to freely control the camera, giving you a full view of your operations. The A button is commonly used for activating tools or interacting with various objects, while the B button often functions as a cancel or exit command. For more advanced play, you can customize your controller mapping. Navigate to the Key Bindings section within the controller options. Here, you can assign specific actions, such as attaching implements or engaging cruise control, to any button or trigger. The shoulder buttons are excellent for quick access to important menus or frequently used functions. Remember to save your personalized controller profile once you are satisfied. To enhance your controller experience, consider adjusting the sensitivity settings for steering and camera movement. This can lead to much smoother vehicle operation. Take time to practice with various tractors and machinery to master their unique handling characteristics. The in-game help menu provides a comprehensive overview of all controls. Finally, experiment with vibration feedback for an even more immersive farming adventure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.